Hello and welcome to this new Nalios tutorial. Today we're going to explore together how to add content in a PDF file generated from Odoo, and especially how to translate that content to make sure that if another customer speaks another language, they see that specific mention in their own language. So let's start with the explanation of today's case. So what I want to do is that I want to go to my quotation and add a mention saying that if there's a stock shortage when my customer confirms an offer, then I have the right to propose another similar product, or to review the delivery time, or to cancel the order. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and find that document first. So the quotation document. We will open the sales app to do this. And here you can activate Studio by clicking on the little icon here in the top right corner of your screen. And then you open reports. Reports are all the PDF files that you can generate and send, in this case, to customer. So what I want to do is that I want to update my PDF quote report. So I'm going to click on it to open it, and I'm going to add my specific mention here. So I'll add it in English. This offer is valid, subject to stock availability at the time of order, etc., etc. So I'm going to save this and close. Okay, so now if I'll check the language of my customer first, so it's English, it's correct. And I'm going to print the PDF quote to make sure that I see the mention that I've just added, which is here, so it's good. My customer speaks in English and they see it in English. It's fine so far. Now I'm going to say that the same customer speaks French. Okay, and I'm going to print the PDF quote. And of course, as I have not given any French translation to Odoo, Odoo leaves my mention in English at the moment, translates everything else but not my specific mention. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give the French translation to Odoo. How am I going to do this? I'm going to open the Settings app, and I'm going to go at the bottom of the page here. I'm going to activate the developer mode. Why? It's simply to have access to more technical functionalities. Okay, I'll go back to the home page, and now I'll tap Views on my keyboard, and I'm going to open Settings Technical User Interface Views, like this. I'm going to add here the mention that I added in English. Okay, so it's part of the text that I've just added. And what I need to do, it's really important, is to click on View Architecture in my filters, else I will not find what I'm looking for. So View Architecture, we have one view that shows up. We're going to open this one and click on the little English button that I have here. So what do I see here? I see my English text, and I see that in French. It's still in English at the moment. So I'm going to add the French translation. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to delete the English version and just keep the French one. In the English, I don't have to do anything because my source text is in English anyway. I'm going to save. Okay, and now we'll go back to sales. I'm going to open my quotation again. Okay, so we'll check the customer's language. It's French at the moment. And as I've added my translation, if I now click on Print PDF Quote, my mention appears in French for my customer. So I'm going to scroll down. Yes, there you go. Here you see it's in French. And now if I go back to my customer and I say, I did change language again, they speak English again, I'm going to print the PDF code to generate it. And as you can see, this time it's in English. So the translation really updates based on the customer's language in their contact form. All right, I hope this helped. If you have any questions or any comments, do not hesitate to share them with us. We'll be very happy to answer it. And have a nice day. Bye bye.